The Knipex Tools 7372-180 BK Twinforce high-performance leverage diagonal cutter with comfort grip handle. Red Blue is a premium cutting tool designed for professional and heavy-duty applications. With a length of 7.25 inches, this diagonal cutter is engineered to deliver exceptional cutting power and precision, thanks to its advanced Twinforce leverage technology. This technology amplifies the cutting force, allowing users to easily cut through tough materials like piano wire and other hard materials with minimal effort. The cutter is equipped with a red and blue comfort grip handle that is ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue, ensuring a secure and comfortable grip even during prolonged use. The handles are crafted to provide maximum comfort, making this tool ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who require a reliable and efficient cutting tool. Built from high-quality materials, the Knipex Twinforce diagonal cutter is known for its durability and long-lasting performance. The cutting edges are precision-hardened to deliver clean and effortless cuts, while the overall construction of the tool ensures it can withstand rigorous use in demanding environments. This combination of power, precision, and comfort makes it a valuable addition to any toolkit, offering reliable performance for a wide range of cutting tasks. Whether you're working on a construction site, in a workshop, or handling electrical projects at home, the Knipex Twinforce diagonal cutter provides the cutting power and ergonomic design needed to get the job done efficiently and comfortably.